Hi there. As you all know, my name is Steve Gearhart, and of course, you obviously know that this is the Unagi Observer. We're at the tail end of the video this week. Thanks so much for bearing with the previous videos that I decided to air. So let's get through basically 3 announcements. The first one is the Weekly Dig is back. Yes, folks, we are going to be back on Anime Archaeology, the YouTube channel. Of course, the link will be down below. And what we do is John, Brent, and I get together and we talk about anime news, and we post that segment usually on Monday or Tuesday, and then we post the larger segment, which is where we watch an anime, a couple of episodes of an anime, and then we discuss it and do kind of a reaction to it, and that is posted later on to the week. So this Monday you will be getting from us the Weekly Dig, the anime news, and then later on we're going to be talking about, I believe, Gatchaman. So that old anime, if you want to check that out, please do. Again, the link will be down below. Second really big announcement, which I'm really happy about. For those of you who are familiar with OnCon, it's an online convention, and we did this back in pandemic lockdown when all the cons were canceled, and we just kept on doing it. So we do it about 4 times a year. And last time we did OnCon 9, we got about 2 hours into it, and the internet just went, it just died. So we promised to come back and air the rest of it, and that is going to happen. So the rest of OnCon 9, which is a bunch of pre-recorded panels, of course, is going to happen on February 18th. Mark that on your calendar. If you go to the, again, Anime Archaeology or the Anime Archaeology Discord site, YouTube site, we'll have more dates and links to all that good stuff. Yes, one of my panels will be among them. So please stop on by. Oh, and by the way, both on the Weekly Dig and OnCon, usually the chat function is up. So as we are doing things, as you see us doing the video, if you want to type and communicate with your fellow Otaku in the chat or have commentary about what you're seeing, always welcome. Just don't be a troll, okay? So the third thing is this channel. So I've decided that I'm going to take a look at the calendar here. I believe I've decided that the first real episode of the season, and we will be done with this interlude stuff shortly, is going to be airing on and about March 7th. So I believe that is going to be the first episode. It'll be detailing what's going to be happening for the rest of the season, and plus I think some manga reviews, because I've actually got got through a series of mangas, and I would like to talk to you about them. So March 7th, that's the big deal. Okay, so that is it for the announcements. Thank you so much for watching this video. We got a couple more interlude videos before the season starts, so please enjoy them. Please keep coming back and watching them, and thank you so much for watching, and as always, I love you guys, and I will see you next time.